Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alina and I'm your Russian teacher here. Today I want to discuss a very important Russian topic, the most important Russian topic. That's our genders, how to identify the gender of Russian nouns with soft sign at the end. I'm sure you already saw these words and you don't know how to identify the gender of these words. Today I'm gonna give you a few tips how we can remember what gender it is, masculine or feminine. And now let's start. In this video, I won't be talking about genders in general, how to identify the gender of other Russian nouns. Here we'll be talking only about soft sign and words with soft sign at the end. The general rule you can find in my video in Udemy course. There you can watch it for free if you open my course by the link that I leave you in the description of this video. And there you will find everything you need to know about genders in general. I talk about words with soft sign at the end in that video too, but there I'm saying that usually we need to remember the gender of words with soft sign at the end. Today I want to give you a few tips how we can remember the words better, because we do have some rules about this topic. So in reality it's not that complicated and we have some logic even here. And now let's look at these little tips that can help you. The first one, let's talk about masculine nouns. Before I should tell you that words with soft sign at the end can be masculine or feminine. They never are neutral. So here it's 50-50. And now let's look at the masculine words. All words that ends in artel will be masculine. Usually they are professions. Such professions as воспитатель, учитель, преподаватель, строитель, аптекарь, библиотекарь, руководитель, писатель, секретарь, вратарь. All of them are masculine. But some of them that end in tel and ar, they are not professions, but they are also masculine. Such words as выключатель, зритель, основатель, победитель, покупатель, посетитель, свидетель, читатель, календарь, and словарь. All these words are masculine. And the second group of masculine words, these are our months. So all months with soft sign at the end and other months that don't have soft sign at the end, they are all masculine in general. Январь, февраль, апрель, июнь, июль, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, декабрь. All of them are masculine. Okay, that's it for masculine, and now let's look at feminine words. All words that end in ость, есть will be feminine. Жидкость, радость, новость, скорость, специальность, свежесть. Then, three words that end in зн. Болезнь, жизнь, казнь. Also, these are feminine. The next group will end in st. Власть, грусть, кисть, кость, часть. Then a few words with с at the end. Запись, подпись, роспись. The next group will have в at the end. Бровь, кровь, морковь, любовь, обувь, церковь. Then two words with п at the end. Степь, цепь. And the last one with б at the end. Дробь, прорубь. That's it. These are little tips that can help you to remember some of the words if they are feminine or masculine. The rest, unfortunately, we need to learn by heart. We don't have any endings, any suffixes that can help us to identify the gender. So you will see now a few more words, and you will need to remember by heart if they are masculine or feminine.
Автомобиль, алкоголь, гвоздь, гель, день, дождь, камень, картофель, кашель, контроль, корабль, медведь, лебедь, ливень, локоть, ноготь, ноль, огонь, отель, полдень, путь, ремень, рубль, спектакль, стиль, уровень, шампунь, шницель, боль, грудь, дверь, деталь, дочь, кровать, ладонь, лень, лошадь, мать, мебель, медаль, мечеть, мысль, нефть, ночь, осень, очередь, память, печать, площадь, постель, пыль, роль, соль, тень, тетрадь, цель.
That's it. I hope it was helpful, and now it'll be a little bit easier for you to know what words you see, if they are feminine or if they are masculine. I know it's not that easy to take all these words and to remember all of them, but try to do it step by step. Try to take first those words that I gave you with the endings, with the suffixes, and then you can take the words that have no logic, that you need just to memorize. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me.